Did you sleep well?
Yes, I sleep well.
Slept well. Use past. So, why are you here?
I come for make embassy works.
I came to do embassy works.
Also, I accept in a college in San Diego.
Awesome, but you should say, I got accepted to a college.
Next week, I take a fly to America.
Flight, not fly. Are you kidding? Great, I missed the tour flight. We can go together.
Yeah. San Diego is near to Los Angeles, yes?
Near Los Angeles.
But I am worried about my English. I will have problems in classes.
I'm worried. Don't worry, I'll help.
You don't owe me nothing.
You don't owe me anything. You've already helped me a lot.
I'm happy I can be of help.
I could be of help. If you've seen these mistakes too many times, you'd better follow this page sooner.